This woman went and got more Stitch Fix. What is wrong with her? Probably what some of you are thinking. Stay tuned. I just got another Stitch Fix Shop Your Style item, and I have one more coming. I want to start with a little bit about gratitude. I have a whole lot to be grateful for. Very many things, for especially my family, my husband, my kids. That the COVID numbers are going down in New Jersey after us being one of the worst ones in the world, which is good. My husband kept his job. I do not have a job right now. I knew I was taking time off anyway to go visit my daughter in New Zealand, but that has turned into me not working now, and due to COVID, I may not be going back to the same job I had before. So I've been being a little frugal, but I have to be grateful again because I had a large number of you guys use my referral link when I had the promo running, and that has given me a bunch of Stitch Fix credit to use during this time when normally I wouldn't be shopping to get myself clothes. So I'm very grateful to you that did that, and I really hope that it worked out really well for you. Honestly, since I've been doing videos, I might get 1 or 2 referrals a year the most, and then last fall and this winter a whole bunch of you used my referral link. So I was looking on the app for Shop Your Style. Stitch Fix has an app. I'll describe more about Stitch Fix in the description box below. But if you're watching this, you probably already know they have an app where they'll recommend certain items to you, and you can buy those items by themselves instead of as part of your regular subscription box. And they give a few details about the item, but not much. And then they ship it to you in one of these brown bags, and inside this is my latest item here. I saw this on Shop Your Style. This is a little tank top by Nine Britton. And what got me about this is I love autumn colors. If you saw my video on me getting my colors done, you know I'm a spring. I'm warm toned, but I'm better with the spring colors than the fall colors, but I love fall colors. And I knew come fall I was going to wear fall colors. This is more of a fall color. It's called burnt orange, but I don't know how it's going to look on the iPad. This is definitely more, it's a very burnt orange. Someone left this orange in the toaster too long. It's very dark. For an orange, it's dark. So it's almost a blend between an orange and a brick, if that makes sense. It's lovely. It has some kind of warm pink roses and some golden roses, and I'm a big fan of golden roses. And then there's these little sort of corally flowers. I love those flowers too. I saw this and I saw something else with it. It's got a knot. Can you see the knot at the side? I am not a fan of knots to the side, in the front. I especially hate them in the front. I'm sorry, ladies. I know a lot of you like the trend of being tied in the front, but it just looks wrong to me when I see somebody with something. Oh, I'm going to have to go to confession. Honestly, sometimes it looks like you had botched gender reassignment surgery. I can't stand something hanging down there in the front. I hate it. On some people, actually, the style looks fine, but on the whole, I am not a fan of that trend. This was tied in the side, though. I like the color, I like the roses, and then I saw something else here, made in the USA. And this item was $32, which is a low price for Stitch Fix. Warm colors, made in the USA, sleeveless for the summer, going into fall. I'll try it with a knot. I already tried this on. I just repackaged it for you so you can see how it came. And I'm going to show you how it looks. So stay tuned. This is a medium. Part of me is wondering if I need to size up on this. As always, a large petite's my best size. I think a large would be too big. This might be a tiny bit snug, but dang it all, I am going to lose those 5 pounds. Okay, let's see. All right. This has the tie that hits right at the top of my hip, which to me is a good look. The tie will also completely untie. All right, so you can play around with it. And one thing that got me is the hem in the front is uneven, but it's uneven because it's supposed to look like it got hiked up where it got tied. All right, I got to play with that a little bit. I wasn't sure how I felt about this at first, but I said, you know, I kind of think I really like this. And guess what else this works with? Remember this I just got from Shop Your Style? This light mustard yellowish blazer, sweater blazer, cardigan blazer. I need instructions on how to get my arms in. Here we go. All right. I think they work really well together for the fall. What do you think? Anyway, I'm really happy with this. I'm happy with the price. I'm happy with the knot on the side. I'm thankful it's not in the front. I don't know how this looks in the back yet. So I said I feel like this might be borderline snug. The armholes are good. There's no gaping in the armholes on either side. And it's made in the USA. So how can I say no to it? I'm real happy with this. I was so happy with this that I found another Nine Britton top on the Shop Your Style and I ordered that. That one's got a teal fall color. That'll be coming soon. Anyway, feel free to tell me what you think of this one. And I'll see you. Thank you, those of you who use my referral link, which is helping me get some of these items here. And I will see you soon when the next item comes.